Finally, I get to go on the boat. Steve's already beat me on the boat already though. The boat. Step check. Smoosh. You gonna go on the boat?
I'm on.
We're on the gangway, the gangplank. Oh, we can't go up there. That's supposed to be the captain's quarters. It's taking video right now. Oh, we can't go up there either? This sucks. At least we're on the boat. Who's saying that? Is there somebody up there? Oh, wait. Here, it's videoing. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the freaking boat. Oh, just take a picture of. It's so cool. Actually, I've been here so many times. I never got to go on the boat, and I'm finally on the boat. Even got cannons. There's cannons. Now can I go up there? I'm supposed to get the poop deck. 3 minutes. Lots of seconds.